That's the first thing I ever heard in my life. That's the most stupid thing I heard in my life.
Hold on. Another commercial break. I know y'all do this kind of country.
One time for the real niggas.
One time for real country niggas, man. So, about LeBron's game last night, because I know you country niggas love LeBron. So what y'all think about him and KD going head-to-head?
For one, we don't like LeBron. Not everybody likes LeBron. I like LeBron because Stephen don't have the team.
You want to do that?
Heck no.
You want to do that? Why can't you answer?
Why you had to think about that when you asked that?
No.
Do you like it? Do you love it?
Well, let's cut straight to the chase.
Do you like it in your throat?
So, how you like it in the DMV from the South Carolina part now?
Yeah, I want you to compare the DMV.
There's a lot of parts out here.
Two dancing ladies for a redneck.
And then
I'm out here for a pound.
some biscuits, man.
Biscuits?
Biscuits, bro.
Damn.
You know what I mean, girl? You know
You critters, you bitters.
So,
well, on the basketball court, you know what kind of shoes you wear, son?
what?
You wear FUBU.
Damn. Google gang, right?
Stop.
Yeah, FUBU.
No. I know they be racing a lot, so when the white people see y'all riding on, the bikes and shit, they riding past motorcycles. Y'all riding in buckets, they riding in Lamborghinis. Y'all riding horses, and they just ride behind y'all backs.
Okay, so the white people ride horses.
Redneck.
So the white people ride horses.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. I haven't been down there, right? Been down there like you. I mean, I can see like what you be doing, like wearing the fake Air Pastel and all that shit. I mean,
Okay.
hey. I mean, it looks fake.
Fake looks fake.
Motherfucker,
Yo,
it looks
fake
fake.
looks fake.
No,
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 no. Okay, it ain't my fault. You sucked Perry dick last night. So anyway,
Whoa.
That's straight to the chase. So anyway, don't even finish what you about to say because I know that was the worst experience you ever did. But anyway, so down the country, y'all don't fight.
Hey, Jerry, what's your kick shit?
Y'all fight.
Jerry, what's your shit to kick? You don't remember? Nigga.
Anyway,
Remember this shit, motherfucker.
no, I don't remember this. So I'm gonna get on it. Somebody hack my shit.
You gotta make a new motherfucking kick, nigga.
I don't need a kid. I get bitches. I'm like this guy.
You just bitch. The real ones.
You told you that.
He told me when she was a little bit younger.
Whoa.
You're 16, you're 17, 12.
Whoa. 12 and over, bend them over.
Anyway, so
What did you do something silly?
I'm 13, so 3 years younger than you. So what you do? 666.
12 and over, bend them over.
So where's the next one?
So do you like 666?
So why you itching, son, when you asking these questions?
I mean, it's kind of like you nervous or something, dude. Because if you nervous,
This is going on YouTube.
I mean, I'm sorry we didn't have no side orders and pizza.
Oh,
we didn't have no corn. We didn't have no corn.
On the call.
Yeah, no corn, man.
Jerry talk.
I mean, last night
Biscuits and butter, right? Biscuits and butter.
Biscuits and butter.
Why you say butter like that?
Butter, right?
Butter.
So down there y'all say, bat it up. Oh, batter up.
Why you beat your dick in the country?
I know they still whoop y'all asses and the teachers whoop y'all asses in school now.
They used to whip.
Yeah, man, these paddles, man.
Dang.
How hard did it be in the summer?
That's how do bad class, man.
You know,
Ain't no more. I said, fuck this crap. She said, okay, then you know the drill. I said, okay. She got the powder.
When the country boys get on the ground?
So do you hate when white people come in your face and pour grape soda on your shoes?
I go like that.
Yeah, that happened.
You hate when that happens?
Why you itching so much?
I said, no, son.
Please.
Come on, son.
Mutants.
Wait, son.
Was you good?
Bump.
Of course it's a bump, nigga. Bees and shit.
The
Y'all
bum
should
bump.
move down there to the country.
It's a bump.
Damn, it's a bum bump. Bum touch your first.
A bump.
Oh.
Anyway, so last week, right, at the club or whatever, right? So you told me that you fought the security guard. I was like, yo, David, what are you doing?
Hey, Jerry. I had you last time when I left you. I was the person. I forgot to get back to you.
The video comes.
Damn, my bad. Redneck.
Anyway, so when we was in a fucking club or whatever, right?
Yeah.
So you talking about you trying to fight the security guard. So I'm like, yo, David, what are you doing? You like, dude, I'm trying to fight the security guard.
Stop right there.
I'm like, yo, don't fight the security guard. Security guard will whip your ass. He was like, no, dude, I know how to box. I said, said, where you learn that from? I learned it from GTA. I said, yo, this life is not a game. It's real life. So you have to work a nigga to real life. You not Muhammad Ali. Then you come up, I just whooped a girl the other day, so why I can't whoop this dude? Matter of fact, how skinny was a girl? Damn, she was bony like me. What? Word? Yo, Jude, why you whip her ass? Shit, I don't know. What the fuck you do that for? You say you bullied the bitch. So I said, why you calling her a bitch? You say because she a fat bitch. But I thought she was skinny. So it's supposed to be a skinny bitch. Then I checked the video. You didn't beat her ass. She beat you.
Ooh!
Yeah. You didn't
check the video. Right? I dropped her.
No, you didn't drop her. She dropped you, motherfucker. First your ass was at 10 pounds. Now your ass at 3.
Nice.
Wait. My memory's come back.
Oh, I know you practice like this.
Damn!
No, like a real white boy. Clark Kent.
It's Superman.
Superman!
Go break that shit.
Clark Kent.
So, why is this guy so back at the club, right? So we still at the club. He's still trying to fight the security guard and shit. I'm like, yo.
White people.
I'm gonna fight the security guard. David like, yo, I'm still going to whip his ass. I mean, I
What's
can
my whip?
his ass. Like, yo, dude, this dude look like he took steroids. This calm you.
So what? I got my rope.
So he whooped your ass again. That's when he take you in the back of the fucking club.
Rape your ass.
He your ass. He R. Kelly your ass. So I mean R. Kelly your ass. That's when I'm in the back fucking your bitch, right? Your bitch. Then I'm like, yo, your bitch pussy good. So I'm trying to fuck your other bitch, but I found out your other bitch was a nigga. So I was like, yo, I'm not gonna fuck that dude. Why are you fucking another nigga, yo? I'm like, David, are you gay? You like, I ain't straight. So I was like, what? You ain't straight? What the fuck, nigga? No, he said, you gonna make up a lie and be like this. I thought you said Drake. No, nigga, how you get straight out of Drake? It rhymes. That's why I thought you said Drake. I said, nigga, you did not say that. Then, why the fuck we get out, right? This nigga come with a condom, right? This nigga came in a fucking condom, right? So I'm like, yo, who you fuck? This bitch that look like RuPaul.
Whoa!
Motherfucker, that was RuPaul.
Whoa!
He like, yo. He like, yo. He like, yo, look. He like, yo. I did not know. Dude, how the fuck you don't know? Got a dick. I told you cut the shit off. It's still a man. Shit, it look like a woman. Why not?
You're a dick.
David, why the fuck would you do that? I don't give a fuck if it was a nigga. You like, shit, I thought it was Sierra. How the fuck you get Sierra out of her? Sierra got an Adam Apple. I don't give a fuck, but she don't got a dick. So why the fuck you gonna go be like this? Well, LeBron got a dick. I said I don't want to know about LeBron got a dick. You like, LeBron got a big dick. I'm like, yo, dude, you're being gay.
He's gay.
Stop saying that. You like, yo.
Somebody's like that.
He over here like, yo. Me and LeBron go way back. I was like, what you mean way back?
Let me talk. Let me talk. No, let me talk.
No.
Let me tell my side of the story.
Oh,
Let me tell my
story.
story.
So look, right? He said he's gonna go to
Put
the
his
love.
glasses on, boy.
Alright, put his glasses on, put the camera on this guy. Now, put the camera back on me. Because you know the show's not about this gay guy.
What's up?
I'm not fucking gay, you know that.
Now,
You're not gay.
you're gay. You're gay. Not straight. You're gay. No, you're gay. You're gay for being gay. Dude. I said, are you straight? You say, I don't know what the fuck that is. No.
You're the gay in Frank Ocean.
Dude. You say you did a song with Frank Ocean. You said it was on
You said you got Frank Ocean.
You said it was about dick and ass. So
Whoa!
you need to stop lying, kid. That's why you got a fucking
eat
glass
Frank
on
Ocean
your
butt.
butt. Matter of fact, stop putting the glass on and off because you look like a fucking pedophile. So anyway, let me get back to the fucking story. So we're still in the club, right? We go right back in the club, right? So RuPaul like, yo, David and me just had the best time ever. I'm like, you and David? What the fuck? She was like, yeah, what the fuck? Because me and RuPaul fucked. I was like, who, you and this guy? He was like, yeah, that guy. Me and him had a fun time. I was like, yo, slow down. Did you really do that, RuPaul? Yes. David came to me and asked me. I said, no. He said, dude, there's no way I can get pussy, so I'm just going to get dick. I was like, yo, why would you do that? Dude, shh, we all know it's the truth. Anyway. Dude. David, what's the matter? You could be Lieutenant Johnson for say God. Then you say you like being fucking with cops, right?
Whoa!
So you said you were born. He said he was doing paperwork with Ezra.
Whoa!
When I found it out, I was like, yeah. Alright, I got it. So we sitting up here, right? David like, yo, I need some coffee.